Hello everyone, today's video takes you through shocking moments of when people messed with the wrong cops. Real encounters where reckless choices meet instant consequences. Let's dive into the situations that escalated fast.
What's going on, man?
After spitting on a pedestrian, Williams was located by police, but he tried to run away. Things escalated when he attacked and spit on the officers. Don't turn a small mistake into a major charge. A disrespectful act, if left unchecked, can put you straight into the back of a police car.
What's the deal? Huh? Come on, man. Let's do it. Come on, what's up? What's up? What's up? What you want to do? What you want to do? Better turn around. Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back right now. Put your hands behind your back. 2200 right now. You got the cuffs. You say 24? 224 and 13.
Police arrived after receiving reports of a man brandishing a dangerous weapon and causing a disturbance in public. The situation intensified when he stepped out of his car, still holding a hammer. Challenging and resisting the law only pushes you toward an ending no one can save you from. An armed robbery suspect in Seattle recklessly fought back when officers tried to arrest him, even attempting to grab an officer's gun during the struggle. The tense situation unfolded after police tracked down a vehicle linked to a bold nighttime robbery. The outcome never changes. Don't try to fight the law. Intentionally obstructing and causing chaos while police are performing their duties is a decision that brings immediate consequences. Deliberately refusing to cooperate while holding a weapon and threatening officers only makes one thing clear: the law does not show leniency to those who treat it with contempt.
Put it down. County, send me another unit out here right now. Don't do it, dude. Don't do it. the knife down!
Thanks, man. Still you got it.
Oh, man!
What seemed like a routine traffic stop quickly escalated into an extremely dangerous situation. He sped off while an officer was hanging onto the door with a child inside who wasn't wearing a seatbelt. Fleeing and acting recklessly only makes everything more dangerous, especially when a child is involved. The law will never tolerate actions that endanger the lives of others.
Literally, I'm on the phone with his mom. His mom? Yeah, she where is me right here? What address? Where is right here? What's your address?
What we're gonna do is we're gonna have you face about, come towards me. We're gonna try and run your name a different way until we're gonna find it pop up some other way.
You can put the phone down though. You're gonna kill me, bro.
Shot fire! There's a kid in the car still! They tried killing me! Come here! Come here! I got it! I got it! Stay right here. Right here, Wyoming.
Don't challenge the law. Consequences arrive faster than you think. The man in the video will soon regret his actions. Police responded to a report of an armed man causing trouble on Jeffrey Boulevard. When they arrived, they found Rake holding a gun and trying to flee, throwing the scene into chaos. Armed resistance is never an escape route. When you confront the law with violence, the ending comes quickly and clearly.
Over some weed, you did that shit, man. You.
Johnny Moore was found trespassing on restricted property. When officers attempted to arrest him, he fled while carrying a hammer and showed signs of aggression, forcing police to open fire. A rash decision can send everything spiraling out of control. Running and resisting only makes things worse before the law.
Started doing this last night. It started raining. I covered it up. I went.
Johnny Ray Moore. Hey, drop the f***ing hammer. Drop the f***ing hammer. I see that's what he's trying to do. Hey, drop the hammer, y'all f***ing shoot you. No, you're not. We got 1077. 31 Bravo, 31 Bravo. Hey, stop. Get on the ground. Get on the ground.
He He deliberately rammed into a police car, then pulled out a knife to threaten the officers, escalating the situation further. Despite multiple commands to drop the weapon, he continued resisting, leaving police no choice but to use force to stop the threat. Confronting law enforcement is never a way out.
Guys, this guy just ran me. Stay right there. Put the car. Whoa. Drop the knife now. Stay right there. Put the car. Whoa. Drop the knife now. Drop the knife.
Fresno police were pursuing George Ruiz, who had fired a gun before running. As he continued to flee and repeatedly reached toward his waistband where the gun was hidden, officers were forced to take decisive action. A patrol car struck him to quickly subdue him. Fighting the law only leads to one outcome.
Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the f***ing ground! Get on the ground! Easy.
The woman suddenly escaped from the police van right after being detained. However, her brief attempt to flee ended quickly when she was caught again shortly after. His actions brought immediate consequences. The situation became tense when a man holding a knife caused chaos in the street. Wielding a dangerous weapon and creating a public disturbance only speeds up law enforcement's response. Thanks for watching. These moments show what happens when people mess with the wrong cops. What do you think? Which part shocked you most? Share your thoughts below.